Welcome back, guys. So recently we have seen an insane pump happen in the crypto market. The question is, are we out of the bear market or this is just another trap? So let's start with the daily chart. So I want to show you some very key things that are happening right now. So you can see the 100 moving average in purple, 2950. This is what we are testing, and if we look towards the left side, this is a retest of 21,500, making a double top pattern. So yes, this is one of the stronger resistance that we have right now. And as you can see, daily RSI sitting at 85. There was a time when it pumped to 91 roughly, and if I show you in the past, very few moments like this one, this was above 90 RSI, then some over here. So you can see very rarely we see, so quite overbought the market. Given this information, we know that some sort of correction might happen, and as you know, I have been talking about that price was in a bear flag channel. Finally price has broken out of this bear flag channel, so that is a positive that we are seeing in the market. But given that a lot of pump has happened, it's time for some correction. So possible areas can be 19,000, somewhere around here. You can see a lot of support and action happening in this range. If not, if price does not hold 19,000, then we are going towards 18,000, where the green 50 moving average is sitting, and the long term trend is available here also. Generally this happens, we see a breakout of a long term trend and then price shoots up, comes down to test the trend, and then tries to bounce from here. So yes, 18, 17 and a half, where this trend line is, quite possible we might see a retest of this area. By that time RSI would have cooled down also, and then price might try to pick up from here. However, we have to consider other scenarios also, which can be, if I zoom in and try to show you this point, which is 20,000, there is quite the chance that price starts to consolidate in this range, making a bull flag pattern, and then we might see a breakout, retest, and continuation upwards towards 25k, where we saw this selling happen. So that is another scenario that is quite possible. But yes, for now I am thinking some correction or consolidation will happen, given that RSI is very high right now. Let's also jump into the 4-hour chart and see what the market is doing. Once again, straight away we can see very high level of RSI, again touching above 90 on the 4-hour. If I zoom in, I want to show you, this is very important. Once again, look at what is happening, price pumping up, and now price is trying to develop this bull pennant pattern. So quite the chance that we might just see a little bit more consolidation in this and then continue upwards. First targets of course will be 22, 22 and a half. But yeah, if this breaks towards the downside, then we are going 19, 17 and a half, somewhere in this region where I mentioned before. This will also mean that we will test the top part of the bear flag channel that we were in over here. This is all bear flag pattern, and the moving averages are available in this range also, so that is also possible. And recently we saw a tweet from CZ talking about the resilience of the crypto market, talking about pre-FTX level prices have reached there, which he meant this area over here. This was the drop from FTX. My personal opinion is, whenever some high profile people like CZ start saying some positive stuff about crypto, generally the market tries to do quite the opposite of that. Also, I want to show you the fear and greed index. Look at this insane pump. We are in 52, we are in the neutral region. Suddenly last week, you can see over here, we were in extreme fear. So within 1 week we have pumped so much that we are in the neutral region. So yeah, very aggressive pump has happened in a very short span of time. As you all are aware, I am a long-term investor into crypto, so of course any bull scenario, any pump in the price is always welcome from my side. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you think? Do you think we are heading towards the 25k range, or we are going to see a very big drop taking us to maybe new lows? And as always, crypto market is extremely volatile. If you are planning to actively trade, please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.